street life was wonderfully rich. The trolley cars went booming by our house. There were lovely old ladies in little electrical cars, and they were so great. Oh, we had no electricity in our house whatsoever. So it was lit by gas, and I remember the lamplighter coming along, and he had a little platform, and he went up the platform and lit the gas street lights.
He saw the first cars, he saw, telephones coming in, and people, as they do today, had the sense then that life was speeding up and becoming faster and faster.
Philadelphia was a very genteel city, like Boston.
They were pretty stodgy, very stodgy.
Upper classes were clustered around Rittenhouse Square and the beautiful brownstones that remain there today.
And in Philadelphia had a lot of segregation on a social level. We had the Main Line and Chestnut Hill. And
there was a great separation between the suburbs and the city. I think there was a greater separation then than there is now. This was a town of many strong communities and strong family relationships.